In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install a rod seal and backup in a tough cam swing clamp body. You can see we have our plunger in a vise with soft jaws, and this will aid in the installation. So we'll take the body, place it over the plunger, and we've adjusted the plunger so that it comes up to the bottom of the seal groove. The next thing we want to do is lubricate the backup, actually greasing the backup, and we want a good amount of grease so it'll hold it against the top of the seal groove. And tuck it down in there. We have a soft nosed tool that we use here, and then we're going to pull that backup up against the seal groove top with a 90-degree pick. That leaves space underneath it for the seal. We want to lubricate the seal before installing it. Install the lip seal with the lips down. Bend it kind of in a taco shape and tuck it in the groove. We'll use that smooth tool to tuck it back in there and work it around. Then we tuck the top piece in that's sticking up, and it should pop into the groove. Make sure that the seal hasn't rolled, and rotate it around.